It's 3:56:48 p.m. Melbourne time. Doing the team draw. Random is live. Participants. Drawn 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yoink. That one anymore. Teams. Round 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Random is complete, and the teams are Nathaniel with the Bulls, Shane Bradfield, Heat, Dale with the Sixers, Javasi with Magic, Jeffrey Elliott, Cavs, Dale with Pelicans, Glenbow, Blazers, Bowman Thunder, Shane Bradfield, Pacers, Glenbow Kings, Brendan Berthelot Mavericks, Andrew Koch Spurs, Bowman Nuggets, Widmark Nets, Jeffrey Elliott Hornets, Brendan Celtics, Garth Manning Raptors, Brendan Wizards, Shane Overend Jazz, Jeffrey Elliott Clippers, Adam Carter Rockets, Garth Manning Knicks, Brendan Pistons, Nick Watson Lakers, Jeffrey Elliott Grizz, Dale with the Wolves, Mick Wan with the Hawks, Adam Carter with the Warriors, Ben Francis with the Bucks, and Jason Aire with the Suns. And that's the team draw for tonight, unless you'll do trades.